Hello, this tutorial I'll show you how to customize tax views in HubSpot CRM. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your HubSpot web application. Okay, so how do you create an account on HubSpot? Let's hop right into it. Launch a browser of your choice. Once you do that, locate the search bar of your browser. Now, in the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type hubspot.com. Once you click on HubSpot.com, it's going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. In the website, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find sign up button. Click on the sign up button and follow through with the on screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in HubSpot. Now we're here on this homepage. Let's hop into today's tax, which is how to customize tax views. This homepage, check the top corner of your screen, going to find a couple headings: contact, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, service, automation, and reporting. Go to the sales tab, click on that. You're going to see an extended menu prospecting deals, forecast tax, documents, meetings, and playbooks. Go ahead and click on tax, and it's going to take you to the tax window. So, this is pretty much it. What are your views? Here are views, all due today, overdue, upcoming, completed. Views actually help you see the specifics in your tax. It also helps you to monitor your tax. Now that we're here, let's see how we can customize tax views. Okay, so head over to this, all right, this homepage or okay, for the top corner of your screen where you have add views. So go ahead and click on add views. Once you click on add views, you're going to see a couple views that are existing. You see all, you see completed, due to date, most engaged, overdue, upcoming, due to date, overdue, and upcoming. So these are HubSpot provided views and these are admin promoted views. Now, if you want to create a new view that is customized, go ahead and click on create new view. So let's say the name of this view is priority. From here, you can choose to make it private, you can choose to make it specific to users or team. All right, and then you can just go ahead and click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, you're going to see that this new view is going to be added. And this is the view, right? Priority. So priority has been created or has been added as a new view right here in the tax view. So you can go ahead and click on, let's say, completed, and I say due today, you have this, and you can even wait, scroll down and see the view that you created. So it hadn't been activated yet, the view that we created. So it shows that you wait for it to be activated before you proceed. But this has been added, by the way. So it says views management pinned. All right. So missing. Okay, so you can go ahead and customize it from this window. And we can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. All right, so go over this tutorial and ensure that you are good to go. All right, I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.